guys, how have you all been? So today we're going to be making some puff puff, very rapid recipe or quick recipe. So I'm just gonna start. So we have approximately 5 cups of all-purpose flour here. I already measured that out. So I'm going to be adding to that a pinch of salt, a cup of granulated sugar. You can make this lesser. And I'm going to be adding to that 7 grams of yeast, powdered yeast, dry yeast, so we're going to mix everything up. So we're going to start adding water. We're using lukewarm water, guys, and we're going to add 2 cups. That's 1 and 2. So I'm just going to mix everything up. So guys, our recipe is complete, or we're done. So we're just going to seal this up and keep in a warm area for approximately 1 hour. So you can place a cloth on it and keep in a very warm area. See you later. So guys, we have our raisin batter here. So we're going to unveil this. So this is what we have. You can mix everything up. So it's frying time. So guys, we have to fry now. Gather the butter in your palms and press through your index and thumb finger like this and drop. So your oil is hot enough when the puff-puff rises to the top. If your puff-puff rises to the top immediately after you drop it in oil, that is the best temperature for frying. So you have to test that before you start frying. Turn the sides. I'm going to remove everything and place on some paper towel. Okay guys, take a look.